So, sum of first 5 numbers. So, hanapin natin ang sum ng unang 5 prime numbers. So, ano ba ang unang-una? So, 2. Next is 3. Next is 5. Next is 7. And next is 11. 9 is not a prime number. A prime number are numbers na may dalawang factor lang. 1 tsaka yung sarili niya. 2 is a prime number because 2 and 1 is the only factor of 2. Right? So, sum. Pag sinabing sum, i-add natin silang 5. Okay? So, this is 10 plus 18. Right? So, that is 28. The answer is 28.